again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the EBOOT brand, their 20 gauge JST plug. You get the total of 10 pairs total, so there's 10 of the male and 10 of the female. Sometimes these are called pin, this is called the socket. Now these are great to be used for anything that you want to have current going through up to 8 amps, 8 to 10 amps these will handle because of that nice 20 gauge on there. They are pre-soldered, the ends right there, so you can solder onto them. And the way these work is you line up the plus to the minus, then they plug into themselves just like that, and then you get the continuous current through there. Then you can easily remove them. These are used in radio controlled airplanes, and they're just really handy to have. I use them in my LED light strips, and I also use them in a lot of my RC airplanes. So you could also take batteries just like this, and you see I soldered the male onto that battery, and then you could use that for a servo controller. Also, here's a pack that has 2 cells in there, and I used it right there on that pack right there. So it's really handy, all the applications. I also take products like this is a drill that I have, and I put a JST connector on the battery there so I could charge that battery. So there's a lot of applications for something like this. Very easy to solder it, and these are about 8.3 inches long or 210 millimeter, and really handy to have around your shop. And you're going to always run into these when you have a model airplane. If you have to replace one, these are great to have on hand in your shop to just do that. Quality of this is great, and I've tested these out, and again you can go 8 to 10 amps on the maximum or anything lower than that because of that higher gauge on there. So I'm going to give this EBOOT brand, the 20 gauge JST plugs, a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.